Tired of your Ubuntu server's IP address changing and making it difficult to access? Today, we are diving into how to set a static IP address on your Ubuntu server, a process vital for consistent network performance and accessibility. First, log into your Ubuntu server as a user with sudo privileges. This could be either through physical access at the server or through a secure shell SSH connection. Next, you'll want to identify your network interface. You can accomplish this by checking the available network interfaces. This shows you the name of your current network interfaces. Take note of your network interface name, especially the one connected to your network. Next, we'll need to edit your network configuration file. Then, search for the configuration lines related to your network interface. If these lines are commented out, remove the comments and adjust the IP address, netmask, gateway, and DNS server addresses to the values suitable for your network. You will want to ensure you choose an unused IP address within your network's range. Now, it's time to apply the changes. The first step will be to save the changes you have made to the network settings. The next step is to apply the changes by restarting the networking service. This will apply the new static IP address you've just configured. To verify your new static IP, check your server's IP address using a command. This will confirm that your server is now using the static IP you've assigned. Your Ubuntu server now has a static IP, guaranteeing consistent and reliable network connectivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more server tips.